day 4 of the Flylady 31 Baby Step Challenge. So far, we have been shining our sinks and dressing to shoes. And yesterday, we reviewed the Flylady website. Oh, and by the way, if you're not dressed to shoes yet, be sure to pause the video and go do that right now. Yes, even if it's nighttime, go ahead and do it. It's super duper important. For today's challenge, we're going to be starting our control journal by writing some sticky notes to remind ourselves of the habits that we have been establishing. So grab 2 sticky notes and put one by the sink to remind us to shine our sink, and let's put one by our mirrors or wherever we get dressed to remind ourselves to get dressed to shoes. Now, if you don't have any sticky notes, you could also use paper as well. Just make sure you tape it somewhere where you can see it. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to get your free follow along calendar that is linked down below. And if you want to go deeper, have more accountability, bonus challenges, exclusive content, early access, be sure to grab your membership. It starts at just $10 a month and it'll be ongoing even after these challenges. We're going to do a bunch more fun secret challenges, some seasonal ones, exclusive content, bonuses galore, printables, free guides, you name it. So if you haven't grabbed yours and you're interested, be sure to get that down below as well. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 5 of the Flylady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.